everyone. Christmas being approximately 30 days away, we wanted to show you one of the new services that we're offering, and so far the results have been amazing. Our customers are very, very happy. So here we have a piece of slate. This is a photo slate with a special coating on it that we're able to put, your favorite family photos or pet photos on it. But in this particular situation, we took a photo which was approximately 50 years old. We were able to restore it using the software we use, and that was the end result. That is absolutely incredible. And wait till you see the next one. In this instance, this photo, again, was approximately 50 years plus. Very, very yellow. The entire image was very yellow, the background included. And approximately 20 minutes later, this is what we were able to produce. The customer is, the customer is ecstatic. All right. And you will be too. So if you're interested in doing something like this, especially for Christmas, in order to get your order delivered to you in time for Christmas, please do not hesitate to call me at my office, 864-875-0815. I am located in Spartanburg, South Carolina. You can also visit us at the Barnyard Flea Market, located on Route 101 in, I think it's Duncan. We are in row C, as in Charlie. Spot number 21 and 22. We've been there for almost 2 years, and we love it. So again, don't hesitate to call me. Don't hesitate to visit me. Or you can email me, peter@acesdeals.net. Or you can PM me for the different sizes that are available in the photo slate, along with pricing. Talk to you soon, guys. Have a blessed day.